Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to take a long screenshot on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open a scrollable page on your smartphone. For example, we will open the Google Chrome app. Just like that. Now from here, just take a screenshot. Now once you have taken a screenshot, just tap on long screenshot. Now from here, it will start scrolling. Now from here, once you're satisfied with your long screenshot, just tap on save. Now from here, as you can see, we have taken a long screenshot. Now from here, you can crop the long screenshot as you like. Now once you're satisfied with your edit, just tap on done. Now from here, if you go to your home screen and open the gallery app on your smartphone, you can find the screenshot we have just taken. Just like that. And this is how you can take a long screenshot on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.